Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to talk about the travel lighted mirror that my wife just picked up from Amazon. I'm kind of moving it around here. It's kind of nice. It's flat. It's only about an inch or so high, and it does come with a little carrying case right here. Here's a little felt case that you can actually use for travel. But even if you're not going to use it for travel, you can go ahead and actually use it as kind of a vanity mirror. Let me kind of show you how it works. So the mirror comes with a little charging cord. It's a USB-C to a USB block of any sort. It doesn't come with a block, but you go ahead and use your own block. You can charge it up on a wall outlet if you have that. And it kind of folds flat and then it opens up like this. I'm only doing it one-handed here. But you can see on one side it's a 10x mirror, and then on the other side it's just kind of a regular standard mirror. As you can see, and the way it works is you press once to kind of turn it on like that. You press it again and you'll get a warmer light, and you press it a third time, you get kind of a mix of warm and cool. If you press and hold the button in, it gets a little dimmer. If you let go and press it again, it gets brighter. So there's bright, and then I press and hold it in, and then there's dim. I press and hold it again, and it does get brighter. And the really cool thing about this is because it's lighted, it actually is lit on both sides. So here we are at the 10x, and the 10x really does work pretty well. She likes to use the 10x for makeup because she wears glasses. It's sometimes hard to see with a regular 1x, but you can see little USB charge. That's where you actually charge it in, and it does again close up just like that. It can be on when it is flat, so that's kind of nice. I'll tap it to turn it off, and I'll put it back in the case and ready to go. Again, you can charge it up. It does last a while. She's used it for about 4 days now. She has not yet taken off the plastic. Don't worry, this is just clear plastic. It comes right off. She wanted to go ahead and make sure that it works for more than a couple days, and it has worked really, really well. So she is really impressed with this. She likes the fact that you can stand it up. She likes the fact that she can hold it. It's not too heavy. Essentially, the way it works is there's just a bunch of batteries in this thing that you charge up when you turn it on, and it keeps it charged for a good long time. So yeah, it's actually a pretty nice mirror, and it's highly recommended.